to our new home. Let's jump right into this empty house tour, and I'm going to take you along and show you the changes we're making and then some of the progress. So this is our downstairs guest bathroom, and next to it is the guest room, which is going to be Josh's office. We don't have a formal office in this house, so we're just going to take the guest bedroom. We never have guests anyways. In the last house, the guest bedroom was actually in my office, so this is going to work out great for us. And here is my white kitchen. I'm so excited to finally have a white kitchen. So we are going to be making a lot of changes in here and through the whole house. All the carpet's going, and here is our option we picked. And all of the trim and baseboards are also going to be going, and I'll show you that a little bit later in the video. Here's our backyard. I am so in love with it. We have trees. We haven't had trees before. So excited. Here is our mud area, and now let's go upstairs.
We went to a small bar with neon lights.
This area is so fun. I cannot wait to decorate the little nook and put a chandelier right there.
Talking to you gave me butterflies.
These iron rails are just my favorite. I'm so excited to have them.
Don't wanna be shy.
So we have one of the boys' bedrooms and their bathroom. I love those 3 little windows in that room. It is so cute.
I will let my guard down.
So this is going to be the playroom area, and also a little corner for my desk and all that stuff that I need. And this is the other boys' bedroom. And again, all the trim's going to be going, all the carpet. We're going to be putting in barn doors in the closets. And here's the view from one of the bedrooms. I absolutely love it. It's so peaceful. We're going to come over this way, and there's a little view again of the stairs, which I don't know why I'm so obsessed with how that looks. But right here is the laundry room. This will be replaced with a barn door, and that inner door is already gone. And then here is the master.
Love out loud. Love out loud.
And here's the master bath. So right now we're really not making any changes in here besides the baseboards being gone. This bathroom door will be gone. It'll be a barn door just to create some more space. And then in our closet, the carpet's going, baseboards again, door frames are all being changed out.
Kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud.
So this is my absolute favorite thing about the master. I have that perfect mom view in here. I peek out the doorway, and here's the playroom and Justin's bedroom, the boys' bathroom, Jameson's room, and if the door is open, I'll be staring at his bed. And then instantly right down to the stairs. So if anyone's here that shouldn't be here, I hear a noise and I'm paranoid, I have a really good quick view. Something I absolutely love about this house and we've never had before are just these beautiful views. Our lot's elevated, so we have this beautiful deck outside and backyard, and we have all these trees. And when we turn around to go to the front, we just have more beautiful trees in a view. All of our other neighborhoods had just been very plain. They didn't have trees, very flat elevations. So I'm so excited. Ooh, that's a big one. Okay, so I was attacked by that big spider, and it is a lot bigger looking in person, I promise. And then I went out to show you guys again, and I got dive bombed by a hornet, so I'm done, no backyard. I'm so excited how things are moving along in here. All the painting is done upstairs and down. Next is today I have people coming to clean the grout and seal it because it is really bad. You see here is the current color, and over here is what it should look like where it was sitting with a rug here. It's like a really light gray, almost white grout. You can see the difference there. So that's a huge difference. I am so excited to have it done. I think this is the thing I've been most excited about. Also getting new baseboards in, because these are in pretty bad shape and I wanted to get a much taller baseboard. It's just gonna be very flat and modern, very squared off. And those will be coming out once they rip all the carpet out, which starts tonight, which is also so exciting. I have the flooring all ordered, so that should be in and installed by the end of the week. We'll be replacing all of the door frames as well with the same style of baseboard. And I don't think I took any before pictures, but all of the caulking in the house has been redone because it was all either broken and separated or it was just dirty. So that got done yesterday as well, around all the toilets, all the countertops, through the house. So it looks amazing. Probably doesn't show really on camera, but we had the whole house repainted white, just to freshen it up because we noticed, of course, all the marks on the wall from the people living here before, but it just looked dingy, and once he started painting, you could see like how yellow the other paint was. So I'm so glad we got that done. And then I had the grout people in because that was gross. So here's just a little shot of them. Not only no more carpet, but the grout did not clean. So they had to come back out and actually paint the grout and seal it, and I will show that a little bit later. It looks fantastic. But look at this, no carpet. I am so excited. I absolutely despise carpet and I don't have it anymore.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave.
So flooring has finally started. What a huge difference this is. I cannot believe it. And we got the grout done. It's all painted and sealed. It looks brand new. I am so happy.
Don't wanna be shy.
And we have baseboards and trim going in. What a huge difference. I'm so excited. These look amazing.
Kiss a little harder.
A before and after shot to show the difference of the old versus the new. I love them. So I will show you guys the rest of the completed work in my next video, which will be a clean and moved in with me. See you guys next time. Bye.
Baby, let it come